Welcome to Kohatunui, a distinguished property nestled just 48 kilometres west of Hastings in the Whanawhana Valley, spanning 23 hectares. This estate boasts a grand 6-bedroom homestead. Architecturally designed by Natusch, exuding timeless elegance, crafted over a century ago, this property seamlessly blends history with architectural finesse. Join us on an enchanting journey through this remarkable property. Experience the timeless allure of Kohatunui today. Contact Simon Hunt at Property Brokers to embark on your journey towards owning this remarkable piece of history.